Filming accident. Okay, we're good to go.
Sorry, did I hit you in your face?
Yeah, hit me in the face as you stay on the bed. Throw the ball.
Wait, are you gonna catch it?
Yes, I'll catch it.
Don't get mad at me if it's in your face.
Ready?
Okay? Promise? You're not gonna
Promise.
Okay.
Oh, what the hell?
Please keep the aisleway clear of bicycles or other personal belongings.
Bro, where'd the ball go?
Right there.
Shit, why there's a lot of tries on here. We're gonna roll this up. We're gonna bounce it on the balls. Ready, Jason?
Yeah.
Oh my god, oh my god. Oh shit.
Girls catch, ready?
Yeah, you ready?
Down.
I'm ready.
Sit down.
Virginia.
Virginia.
Sit down. Are you gonna catch her? Wait, do it.
Someone's getting on.
Yeah, sit down. We can't do it. I won't throw it.
We went through quickly.
Tommy in.
Jason! Stop! Stop!
Yeah,
Jesus,
sit down.
Jesus,
You gotta sit down then.
Jesus Christ. You ready?
Yeah, sit down first.
Yeah, I'm sitting down. No! 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 Stop!
Okay.
Jesus.
I'm sorry, because you made us take the long road.
I have the phone on Cheville.
Are you filming me?
Johnny!
Can I see?
Damn!